sleep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Good night, Elmo.
Good night, Telly.
Elmo?
No, elbow.
Elbow, right.
Good night, head. Good night, eyes. Good night, nose.
Good idea. Good idea.
Yeah, good night, mouth. Good night, breath. Oh, it's a good one. Good night, belly button.
Good night. Good night, belly button. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. Telly, I understand you might be feeling a bit frustrated.
Of course I'm feeling frustrated. Who wouldn't? Wait a minute. What does that mean? Frustrated.
Frustrated? It's this feeling you get when you're trying to do something really hard, but you just can't seem to do it.
Then that's exactly what I'm feeling. Frustrated. I'm trying to say the alphabet as hard as I can. A, B, C.
38.
39. 40.
It's okay. Hey, can you just give us a minute?
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, Telly, look at me, buddy. Listen, you can do this, okay? We can do this together.
Yeah.
We're a team.
A team?
Yes, a team. Come here.
Huh?
Look.
No. Why bother trying? I can't do it.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
Yes, you can. Telly, I understand you might be feeling a bit frustrated. Into my eye.
Look into your eye.
Listen to my voice.
Listen to your voice.
Hear only my voice.
Hear only your voice.
He's ready.
No.